Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you the cleanest way to move any object in Adobe Photoshop, just using one simple tool. I guarantee you, if you take the steps that I'll show you today, implement them into your designs, you'll be able to get a really professional and clean result. So what I would like to do is I'd like to move this particular bird further up on the wire that it's sitting on. So what I'm going to do first of all is make a selection of it just using our lasso tool. And I'm just going to do a very loose selection like so. And then what you need to do is go onto your patch tool. And if you change it from source to destination and then move it, obviously, I want to see I put it around here. Make sure that we line up the wires. Like so, what it does, it matches all the colors, it matches the background for us. Really, really cool. And then if you just simply deselect, like so, as you can see, we have now moved that bird further up that wire. And actually what I want to do now is remove the original. The same again, make your selection with the lasso tool. Go onto your patch tool, and this time you should change this to source. Make sure that we line up those wires exactly, and then just simply deselect. And as you can see, I've moved that object clean and professionally. If you're interested in finding more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care. See you next time.